The picklist panel has been redesigned and is now a draggable pane where you can see the complete list and select the values easily. It can be minimized when not in use. The cell operation feature has two selections on the pane that will let you set value to empty for header fields, or if you want to select value from a pick list. When you type the keyword on the cell within the table, CloudExtend looks up for its exact match. The cell will be gray during the lookup, and if the value was found successfully, the cell will be back to normal. I will show you an example. I will enter 1000 on the cell and hit Tab to trigger the search. Then see how the cell changed from gray back to normal when the value was found. Next scenario is I will enter income on the cell and hit Tab. Since the keyword is not specific, the cell is now highlighted yellow. Also, a notification popped up on the reserve field and on the CloudExtend panel to select from the list or enter a more specific term. If there are no matches, the cell will be highlighted in red. Error notification will show on the CloudExtend panel and reserve field to let you know that you need to enter a valid value.